Hey, it's Ian, and today I have the portable thermal printers. Now this is going to allow you to create labels, stickers, and so much more, all without ink. Now the only thing you need to get started are these super common, easy to find thermal rolls. Now once you load them up, you can make so many different things, especially around the house. You can organize your office supplies, label kitchen items, art supplies, and even your cherished photo albums. Want to get crafty? This is perfect for stationery. You can even print labels for homemade baked goods. And this is gonna be perfect for birthdays and the holidays when you need to make a whole bunch of gift tags. Have a small business? This is going to be invaluable for printing all those shipping labels and barcodes, even ingredient lists. The possibilities are endless. Now this is super easy to use. First of all, it's lightweight and portable, so you can take this just about anywhere. But the best part is you can connect this to your phone via Bluetooth and use it with the free, easy-to-use app. Or you can connect it to your computer for a home setup. Both of the apps are intuitive and easy to use. In it, you'll find that you can use a wide variety of different fonts, icons, and even your own photographs. And all of this you can customize to truly make it your own. Now we are selling this as refurbished, which means they were sent back to the sorting facility, inspected to make sure they are in working order, and then put back into their boxes. Now a note on their boxes is that they come in varied conditions. You might find one that's in perfect, pristine condition, or one that's a little beat up. But that's why you're getting such a great price. However, we do promise that the units themselves are in perfect working order. Now in the box, you will find the unit itself, a USB-C charging cable, and most likely instructions. However, if there isn't one in the box, you can find a copy of that on the site. And lastly, there comes included with 3 label rolls. One will be pre-installed in the unit itself. Now the rolls are completely randomized. You might get one that's different colors, different sizes, and even different shapes labels. But we can say for sure is that there will be 3. You have 2 options to choose from on the site. You could pick the colored option, which will give you a randomized color, or the neutral option, which includes white or black. Now if you ask me, I don't really care which color I get because these are incredibly useful to have around the house. So head on over to the site and pick one up today.